Guys and gals, welcome to this week's pre-foreclosure daily grind tip of the week. Chris the Drummer Bowles, Bob LaChance, getting back to you. First of all, in 2 weeks we have our prop tracker call. We've had, again, every time we talk about this, we've had more upgrades into the system. This is our online real estate management tool. It is killer. Try it out. Prop Tracker, PROPTRACKR.com. This week we're going to go over 3 different things. Number one, something with Bank of America and their actual Equator system. Yeah. It's actually pretty cool. 2, a deal that blew up with Chase in the end buyers financing. Actually, we'll give
this was City Mortgage.
This was City Mortgage, and the other one, is with Chase that we're going to be talking about. And I'll let Chris go over those 2 things. But anyway, we'll start with Bank of America here. Bank of America and their Equator system. Too much coffee this morning, Chris.
Yeah.
You know?
Trying to fit too many words into too small of a space.
Exactly. We only have so much time too.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, the Equator system. Right now, they're doing an automatic email notification, kind of like our prop tracker system. When we update our notes, our homeowners, our agents, our investors that we do law submit for get an automatic email notification exactly what's going on in the process. So. Equator has added something. I'm not going to read this verbatim because obviously there's privacy issues there, but it basically says as soon as you're done with a certain task, it gives you an update. And this particular task is actually when they order evaluation on the property, they're going to say that you're the contact or the agent is the contact person for that particular property. So what happens is the BPO agent or the appraiser is going to call you, the agent on their file, whether you're a third-party loss mitigator or the actual real estate agent on that property. They will call you, and it's in writing to show you that. Cool part on the bottom, also it states that the short sale specialist who's assigned to your account is, and it gives you the number, or sorry, the name. So that's pretty cool. So right now they're trying to automate things to better our business, which we've been doing for years, which they're a hell of a lot farther behind than we are. So,
and they're also probably catering to all of us out there who feel like we need an update practically every week to have that reassurance that the file's moving forwards.
Less bitching. That's exactly what it is. I don't know if that's a swear. If it is, I apologize, right? But anyway, that's tip number 1. So look out for that. If you're actually on the Equator system, just know you'll get email notifications, and your homeowner and the real estate agent will also. That's pretty cool. All right, let's talk about not the deal that blew up. Let's talk about Chase.
Chase. Just so everybody's aware, we have several files with them. I've been on the phone the last couple of days looking to follow up and check in on those. And I was actually unable to because, as of right now, they cannot verify their authorization because they're actually updating their authorization system, over at their offices or whatever. And they're actually going to be changing up their authorization as well. So what they're basically doing right now, like yesterday and today, is they're removing all old authorizations.
So they're
that have
cleaning
been there
up
for
the
months.
junk. Yeah.
Right, that have been there for months and months and months. Getting all those out of there because they're going to have a new form, which we'll obviously let you guys know when we do what that form looks like and what information is required to be on it. So. And
we'll upload it into our prop tracker system because we have all of our lender-specific short sale packages on there right now with different authorizations. So, with that being said, right when we get it, we'll upload it to the system so all of our prop tracker members will have that immediately. Exactly. So that'll be pretty cool.
Yep.
Finally, the deal that just blew up, which we don't like when deals blow up, but they happen.
Happens.
So let's go over the deal a little bit. 3-family property.
Yep. Up in Hartford in a
right in the hood. Right in the hood.
I was gonna say it's a nice part of Hartford.
Yeah. In the hood.
Buyer's got a 203K loan. As you can expect, 3-family that's been vacant, had tenants in and out, gonna need some repairs. So basically with this one, if any of you are somewhat unfamiliar with how a 203K loan works, part of the money that's lent out is to pay a contractor to make the necessary repairs on the property. And so when an inspection is done and the report is drawn up as far as what repairs are needed, that'd be the time when the contractor, they submit their bids to the lender and what work needs to be done, how much it's going to cost, so on and so forth. And
you need to be working with an approved contracter also.
Right.
So.
Right. Very important detail, exactly.
Yep.
And so essentially what happened here, I mean, there none of the contractors that submitted bids, none of their bids were approved by the lender, by the buyer's lender.
So the end buyer's financing right now basically kiboshed the deal because they did not like all of the actual contractors that came in. Their bids, as far as we know, were a lot higher than the actual inspection report showed. So the actual cost, they were charging too much, and the lender wouldn't lend that much money because the back end property wouldn't appraise in the back end. There's a lot of stuff's into it, a lot of things into it. But just Google it and look that up for 2 or 3K loans and yada yada, and what the qualifications are. So, with that said, that's probably going on enough time right now.
Yeah, we gave him enough this week.
Absolutely. But anyway, yeah, in 2 weeks, our Prop Tracker call. That's our monthly open Q&A and webinar. It's killer, and we always open it up with a case study. So any Prop Tracker members, send me an email, and we'll put you up on the next case study. It's awesome. A great learning experience on exactly how you got the deal, how you negotiated the deal, any pitfalls that came along, and the end result, which is always profit. We like that.
We like that.
But anyway, Chris the Drummer Bowles, Bob LaChance getting back to you with this week's pre-foreclosure tip of the week.
Somebody wake me up. Somebody wake me up, yeah. Somebody please wake me up. Whatever happened to the butterflies? Whatever happened to the summertime? And the feeling I got the first time that